A new day, no plans, shower done. We'll stop where I want to stop. Play it by ear. Yesterday I was here when the tide was down. What a difference. The town of Alma. Yesterday with the tide out, I walked way down on this beach. And those rocks there, I walked all the way around them. Sure makes a difference. Little stops on my way to Nova Scotia today. There's the mist over here. That's pretty cool. I love rocks. Remember when Goddard had to take all these out because somebody accidentally fell or something and sued the town, got $50,000 or more, and so there's no more allowed in Goddard. Some of these are pretty precarious. They could hurt somebody too. This is Cape Enrage. I am in Nova Scotia. Right now I'm on a dead-end road that used to be the road with the bridge, but it's no longer. You can see up there it's closed off. So I'm going to see if this is going to be a good spot for me to sleep tonight and to relax. I didn't stop a lot of places along the way, but I'm really tired today. Way out there. I'll be traveling up this shore tomorrow, the Northumberland Strait shore, I guess it's called. It's totally collapsed. Looks like the end. And over there must have been the other side of where the old bridge was. And there is the new bridge, which I'll be taking tomorrow. So this is the view from where I am parked on this old road. And I cannot see the road really, and I don't think they can see me. So that's good. We'll stay here. Kettle is on, and I'm going to try this chocolate mint tea, which was free to me. Sometimes I eat a strange supper. Tonight it was dry cereal and oranges. Yes, I bought some oranges today. And that's about it. Went for a drive to Pictou Harbor. I have seen some of the most amazing sunsets since I've been coming east. This one was a little better before, but I was driving. Anyway, I got this much. It's pretty nice. I'm back in the same spot to sleep. I went over there where somebody suggested, but it says no overnight parking, so I'm not going to risk it. Well, it is morning. I slept pretty well in this road last night. Did think I heard a big animal at one point. Wasn't sure though. Anyway, I had the windows open with the screens on so that I could get some air. The kettle is on, and I'm going to go for a little drive while it boils, and then I'll have my coffee. I'm hoping sometime later today to find a laundromat, as I'm really running out of certain items. Well, as you can see, it's a foggy morning, and I'm really hoping to get to a beach park, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to see the beach. Well, I wasn't lost for long. I found the road I needed or wanted. I'm hoping to go to this little provincial park and have my breakfast. Woo! The road is bumpy. Half the road is missing. It's all eroding. Picnic tables. Good breakfast time. Lost and found anyone? This is called Blue Sea Beach Provincial Park. I'll get my little cook stove out in a minute. I don't know the tide times. I haven't checked them for here. It's quiet. Last night there was a group of porpoises in the cove that I was at, but by the time I got my camera they were gone. And this morning I've seen a fox. That's it. My homemade seed mix. It's got sesame seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. So it should be good on my oatmeal this morning. Just waiting for the water. Walk after my breakfast. Met some people who moved here last year from Ontario. They live in Spring Hill and they're got jobs there too, in Amherst. The marshlands. Thing I like about these little parks I'm stopping at is they have covers over the picnic tables, so you can sort of sit out right out of the direct sunlight. Anyway, we're going to take the boardwalk and go have a look at this beach. Not bad for a Sunday. I'm stuck to the seat, so I just pulled over to have a little look on my drive. I'm heading to the laundromat in Antigonish. Gosh, I can't even pronounce these places these days. My tongue is all tied. Tried to find a lighthouse park, but kept sending me in the wrong places. I never did find it. Anyway, I'm just stretching my legs. Well, I found a little park that has a little trail, so we're gonna go for a walk. Or I am anyway. There's one thing, it is a little cooler in the woods because it has been a hot day today. This. Laundry on. Guess I could have washed my sheets too, but next time. I'm at a wharf where I'm hoping to park in a certain spot to sleep tonight. So the lobster fishermen work 2 months of the year and pull in about 400,000. I think I did the wrong thing for a living. So after seeing signs all over this property of no camping, no overnight parking, no parking, etc., etc., I'm going to hopefully get my laundry done before dark and make my way to a Walmart in Antigonish. I think that's how you say it. We are heading to Cape Breton.